Build a strong foundation. Starting yoga. Begin with standing poses. They're simple, grounding, and perfect for beginners. These poses improve your posture, boost balance, and help clear your mind. Try tree pose. Stand tall, shift weight to one foot, and place the other foot on your calf or thigh. Hands together or lifted. Focus your eyes. Breathe deeply. Now chair pose. Sit back like there's a chair behind you. Arms up, knees bent. Feel the strength in your legs. In forward fold, bend gently, soft knees, arms reaching down. This calms your body and stretches your back. Extra tips: go slow, use a wall if needed, keep your core firm, breathe deeply, be kind to your body. Add standing poses into your day. While your kettle boils, do tree pose. Before bed, a forward fold calms your mind. At work, chair pose re-energizes you. Yoga helps you stay strong and relaxed as you explore new healthy habits. Protecting your health matters too. Consider Royal Sundaram for your health insurance needs. To seamlessly buy your health insurance, log on to our website to find the best policy that suits you.